I'm feeling good to get the silver medal, but I was hoping for gold. But it was unfortunate. I scored 9.5 out of 11, but because of the guy who came first had better vocals, and that's why he managed to win. I was hoping to win the tournament, but second is also not bad. Getting silver is also good.
What are your future plans now?
I want to become a grandmaster as soon as possible. Possibly one of the youngest grandmasters.
Yes, we are extremely delighted that Ethan won the silver medal because it's a very prestigious event, the National Sub-Junior Chess Championship. It's a very tough event, and Ethan having made it to the podium is a wonderful feeling for all of us. Actually, Ethan was tied for the first place with 9.5 points out of 11, with the top seed and Ethan sharing the same number of points. So the result had to be, the champion had to be declared based on what is called the Buchholz tiebreak. The tiebreak score is actually calculated based on the scores of the opponents of each of those players who are tied. So that is kind of beyond the control of the player himself. Unfortunately, the third seed player whom Ethan had defeated in the 5th round, or was it the 6th round? In the 6th round, Ethan had defeated the third seed player, and had the player continued playing for the rest of the rounds, Ethan's tiebreak score would have been much higher than the other person, the top seed whom Ethan had tied with. But since the third seed quit the tournament in between, Ethan's tiebreak score got affected, because of which we were at a disadvantage when the champion was selected based on tiebreaks. So it was a very close margin. Ethan had to settle for the silver medal on a tiebreak score difference of 0.5 points. I think it was 78.5 versus 79. So that kind of a narrow margin, we missed the gold medal and the championship of the event. Overall, we are very happy that Goa's name is right there at the top. We would have hoped to have Goa get the championship, but we are very happy with Ethan's performance overall. In fact, it is pertinent to note that Ethan was the only player who remained undefeated throughout the tournament. Even the top seed had got defeated. But even after such a spectacular performance, not getting the gold in hand is a little disappointing, no doubt. But overall, we are very happy for Goa, because it also gives an opportunity for an additional player next year to be kind of getting a representation. An additional player from Goa gets a representation because of Ethan's medal this year. So all in all, we are extremely happy, and of course, except for the gold, we couldn't have asked for anything more.
Let me congratulate Ethan. I am Ethan and their family for his excellent performance. Coming second, first, that is all. It's a process, and as the time is going, he is getting stronger and stronger. That is more important to us. And as under 15 silver medalist is a very important thing in your career, because first of all, there were so many very strong players in this tournament, and under 15 sub-junior championship is one of the most regarded championships. That he came second or first doesn't have any meaning. It is important that he has come. He was the leader in the tournament, and 100% it is like winning the gold to us. So let's not get disappointed with this, and I'm sure that with his performance, he is getting stronger day by day, and at his age, to win this, to come first or second at this championship is just excellent. 10 years back, Ritwij Parab had come third, so he has superseded him at such a young age, and he is IM. We are shortly, also one important thing is, All India Chess Federation is recently made the announcement that even the second player will be going for the World Championship. Let us see, hope it is being implemented fast. Previously, second player used to spend on his own, but President had made this announcement. So I am sure that shortly all the silver medalists also will be going on the basis of All India Chess Federation bearing all the cost. Another thing, very important thing is we are shortly having the Grandmaster tournament, and I'm sure that Ethan will play there, and we are sure. And one more thing, very important thing is this time there was maximum participation in under 15 open boys and in under 15 open girls, under 15 girls from Goa state. So though few of the players did not perform as to our expectations, I'm sure that they have gained a lot of experience from this tournament, and going forward definitely they will perform much better.